What's up, boys? We back. We back at the Racers line. Oh my god, so many cars. Oh, Noah's here. Shit. And Max. Yes. Yes. We back. Whoa, what's up, dude?
What's up, bro?
How you doing? Hey, how you doing?
How are you?
Oh, good. It's been a while.
I know.
Yes. What's going on here?
Me?
Yeah. What are you getting done?
Oh, I think I have a rod knock, but I'm not sure. So
Oh no.
Actually, a rod knock, or it's
That would suck.
projector for rod knock.
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not.
Yeah. Yo, boys, we're installing this today. No, I'm totally joking. We're not. SPD turbo. That'd be nice though.
That'd be nice.
I'd want to. No, I want the JDL kit. Shit. Back at the Racers line. We haven't been here in like a year or something. I mean, no, that's not true. I haven't even had the car for like 2 years. We haven't been here in like months. Last time I was here is when we got the JDL headers installed and when we took off the supercharger. And but today we're getting the flex fuel kit, which I'm super excited for. I won't be able to actually take the car home today because Neil has to tune the car, so I'm actually going to be leaving it here for a week. We're going to do the install today. Headers, right? You're doing headers today?
Oh yeah.
Headers, and you're just... exhaust leak. Exhaust leak. That's right. Yeah, so a few things to be done. Headers, flex fuel kit, and then if you guys know that VRZ over there, you guys follow him on Instagram. Apparently he's got some rod knock maybe, so Neil's gonna be checking that out. So hopefully the car's gonna be okay. But dude, it's like super warm today for some reason. It's so weird. It's so warm today, beginning of February, and it's like 70 degrees. I'm still cold because I'm a pussy. That's actually not that bad. It's not that bad.
It's definitely louder, but it's not bad. They're all on the trip. Mostly.
It's not bad. That sounds really good. Tuning that stage 2 OFT. No, oh, delicious stage 2 JDL.
Yeah.
So technically, yeah.
Riding in progress, stage 2 plus. I think Max and I are gonna try to take the car up out.
Take what?
The supercharger. We want to. We haven't asked for it yet. On the tow arm, so should be able to use that. Dude, it would be so much easier to do a fourth brake swap when you're actually up in the air.
Yeah, it'd be nice.
That's not too bad.
We should all just pitch in for like one of those lifts.
Just wait until Jenna's battery's still solid.
Right. Alright, boys. Let's check this out. No exhaust leak. Let's go. That meme tune. Alright guys, we're gonna go get some food. You guys can probably hear this is Noah's. He's got that open flash headers with that N1.
Oh, those wheels though.
Those
Bro,
wheels.
what the heck?
Those
That's
purple
like
wheels.
Drift Doctor.
Oh, hold on.
What? Dude, you see those wheels? Huh? The purple wheels? No, I didn't look. Oh, dude, they're sick. I was telling Law though, he's got to get some rollers.
Yeah, Yeah, I'll try to get some rollers.
Oh, yeah, yeah. You want my camera? What? You see those wheels? The purple wheels? No, I didn't look.
Yeah, I'll try to get some rollers.
Oh, yeah, yeah. You want my camera?
I wouldn't know how to use it.
Oh, okay.
I'm not a camera guy.
Do you know where we're going? Yeah, it's in my GPS. Oh, okay. So I'll lead? Yeah. I just roughly know where to go. I just can't fully remember.
Get that regular.
Yeah, boys.
Get some good rollers though.
Max went too fast
Too fast, yeah. I flew by.
because he wanted to hear that exhaust again.
My exhaust is so good.
Boys, we
Did you get me whipping around at the light?
Yeah, a little bit.
Are we just taking this back to News?
Yeah.
You gotta snag a Mountain Dew. I haven't had a Mountain Dew. I'm gonna have to go with that. That can. Yeah. You know what's that?
That bottled drink, bro.
That can Dr. Pepper is fire.
Yeah. I'm hella hungry. Jason missed out, man. Jason missed out.
I know, Jason taking 5 hours.
Food. Food, my brothers. We found a way.
Dude, your car's gonna start smelling like Kinders. It's not a bad
I like kind of sort of remember how to get back to Neil's, but I also don't.
Ooh. Them pops. Ooh, that S2000. Dude, I want my S2000. Dude, this is hella sus parking right here.
What?
This
No,
guy's
no.
totally over the
Oh, the
line.
Ford? I'm not going for it.
Yeah, no, I know.
Right here.
I'm just saying, like, that is the worst. Oh! Oh, what was that?
That fucking gutter, bro. My car.
Yeah, see, mine's a little bit raspier than yours. I think it's the mid pipe.
It's the mid pipe for sure.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Take it out.
Backing up. I think it's because you have the older nameless too.
Yeah, it's an older one.
Pre new style nameless.
You know, that's funny. I just realized Jason's diffuser, like the bottom part.
Yeah.
I don't know what you call it. Bumper.
Yeah.
Looks like what Lawrence has without the diffuser portion.
Yeah.
They built it in. They built like that diffuser style into the bumper.
But the thing is, it only has this part and this part. It doesn't have this, and it doesn't have.
It does have the middle part.
Does
actually,
it?
yeah.
I
It's
didn't
just
notice it. It's just really small.
Imagine this
Not as
from like
pronounced.
up an inch and then sucked in into.
Oh yeah, I didn't notice it.
That's
fine.
Yeah, it's like
Hey, this is a long time.
Honestly, though, like
You
this
have to be on that trade, bro.
this diffuser is the best. Just because it's like base and R, but it looks super OEM. Like you can't even tell.
it's cheap too.
Yeah, it was like $40.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the base in our one.
Yeah, but it looks just like the OEM one.
Fitment is.
Fitment is perfect.
Base and R fitment's good on like small things.
Yeah.
They actually built it nice.
Yes. Fully sponsored by the Racers Line.
That's just like a little rubber. Is there just
Sick.
a rubber guy that's
Can
like
I get a sponsorship?
Haven't you been watching the sponsor videos?
how to get sponsored or whatever?
Yeah.
Oh no.
The wrong way.
Carbon Creations.
Man, I really want to get new fender garnishes. Like this is so shitty right now. But The 2017 fender garnish you can buy for $70 a garnish. No. Yeah.
Back to the D-box. You were off the D-box for a bit and you're back on it now.
I have this stick soon. Maybe these have not been sticking.
Rip.
Okay, I'm blue for that.
The D-box.
The D.
Did you have the Delicious Flex Room before?
No, I had a D-box, which is different. Yeah, it helps the Edelbrock kind of run a little bit smoother.
The Flex Fuel D-box is the same as Edelbrock D-box, isn't it?
Flex Fuel. No, well, now they make them one box actually.
Any other Volk wheels for sale?
They did. They say to use that kind of 2 boxes.
These are two boxes. One is like a smooth running, it's to smooth out the map signal on the block. And one's a Flex Fuel. Now they make them in one box.
Oh, Neil. By any chance, do you happen to have a spare backup camera? I have no idea. It's gone. Dude, like, it's been in my trunk for like the longest time, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna like Dremel out, you know, because when I had Tyrone's trunk for a while, I was like, I'm gonna Dremel out like a space, and then when I switched with Noah, I went to go look for it, and I was like, I can't find it, and it's gone. I was like, rip.
That's it.
That's it. That took.
That's why install is included with purchase.
Because it literally is like what? 3 bolts and the D-box?
Now guys, finished today. Did the Flex Wheel kit for me. Fixed the exhaust leak for Max. Installed the headers and the tune for Noah. So, productive day. So, I'm going home now because I'm hungry and I'm tired. I'm gonna go play some video games, eat some food. So, see you all guys on the next video.